Welcome. In this quick and simple guide, you'll learn exactly how to change your ringtone on Telegram. If you're tired of hearing the same sound every time you get a call, or you just want to personalize your Telegram experience a bit more, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and connected so everything runs smoothly. Once the app is open, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on those lines to open up Telegram's main menu. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This is where all your customization options are located. You'll notice several categories under Settings, but the one we're interested in is Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it to continue. Inside the Notifications and Sounds section, you'll see different options for messages, groups, and calls. Under the Notifications section, choose Calls. This is where you can manage how Telegram alerts you when someone calls. Now, find and tap on Ringtone. This is the fun part. You'll be able to browse through a list of available tones directly inside Telegram. Scroll through and listen to a few until you find one that matches your style. When you've found the perfect sound, just select it. Telegram will automatically set that tone as your new ringtone. And that's it. You've successfully changed your ringtone on Telegram. The next time you receive a Telegram call, you'll hear your chosen tone instead of the default one. Making small changes like this can really make the app feel more personal and enjoyable to use. So go ahead and try out different ringtones whenever you feel like switching things up. If you found this guide helpful, take a second to share it with someone who might need it too, and check out more tips to make the most out of Telegram. Thanks for tuning in.